Yeah, this is another short video to show you how to activate your account. First of all, you need to have funded your core. You see my core. I funded it with 5 core, which is $6.8. The benefit of this is that just look around. What I have there is 6 point something dollar, but I'm going to use part of the airdrop they gave me to complete this money to $10. This is an amazing idea, guys. So let's go there. So many of us are wasting our energy tapping. Please channel your energy to this project. Channel your energy to this core various, because the airdrop they are giving you, you can redeem it into money immediately. Okay, so let me log in. I'll click on discover. Okay, let me come back. For me to log in, I need to click on this discover. Then I'll touch the search icon on top right corner. Then I click on core various. Look at core various. I touch it. Then I click here, enter core various. Then it's going to load me there. Once I'm here, the first thing you need to do is to click on wallet statistics top right, so that we can set. You scroll down. When you are here, you click on security passcode, so that you can type your security passcode. Type a code that you are used to, that you can always remember. So I just finished typing it. What do I do next? I'll click on update now. Then I click on confirm. I'll type my password. What do I do? I'll just click on confirm. Watch on top, you see success, passcode setup completed successfully. Okay, so the next thing you do is to scroll up. When you come here, you click on this X on top right corner, so that I'll close the wallet statistics. Close. Then what do? I'll click on make deposit. When I'm here, remember I showed you I have only $6, but I'm going to type how much? 10. You see? So this place you are seeing user address. What you are going to paste there is the receiving wallet address. Is the receiving wallet address of what? Of your core coin, of this wallet. So I will paste it there. Then I will type my pin. After typing the pin, I'll just click on deposit now. Pay attention. This business is so amazing. This idea, we've never seen it before. Remember, I only had $6. Do you see what this company is doing? They have released from those free airdrop they gave me, because it's a real money. They have released the 2.9408. They are taking only 4.5111 from my main wallet, from the money I deposited. Remember, the money I deposited is not up to $10, but they have removed they have given me 40% from those free airdrop to complete my money $10. That's amazing. You need to do this within 7 days in order to get this 40%. If you don't do it after 7 days, I think it will be smaller than 40%. The project is new. We are still learning on it. So what do? I'll just click on deposit now. Let's watch. Watch on top. I'll click on confirm. I'm going to type my password. I'm going to click on confirm. So let's watch. Processing. Boom. Success. New deposit completed. So let me scroll down. You see my investment. Look at it, $10. But what I funded was $6. So this amazing new idea, they have given me $4 for free from part of my airdrop. Guys, take this business seriously. Refer everybody you know, because the more people you refer from level 1 down to level 11, anybody that join, whether you are the one that bring them or not, guess what? You are getting additional 1 core coin. Don't joke with this core coin. It's already trading at above $1 now. 1.3, 1.2, 1.4, that is the price now. And bull run have not started. Remember, this coin is listed on 37 different exchanges, including Bybit, including a Coinbase, which is the American largest exchange. So you will believe with me that on or before December or during bull run, this coin can hit $10. Imagine something you are accumulating for free per $1 or 1 point something dollar. When it gets to $10, $20 or $100, and imagine how many you would have accumulated. And you don't need to. The free airdrop you're accumulating, they will give you 10 for free. Immediately you sign up for free. But if you tell your people to sign up for free, your people will get their own 10 coins for free. Imagine if that 10 coin gets to $100. Let's say even by next year, it gets to $1. It gets to $100, and they have 10 for free. That is how much? $1,000. Now, you that are referring them, do you know that if you refer somebody, and that person refers somebody, and that top person refer 4 person, and that 4 person refer 5th, down to 11th generation or level, anybody that join, whether you are the one that bring them or not, in your team, from level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, level 5, level 6, level 7, level 8, level 9, level 10, level 11, you will receive 1 coin. If you take this business seriously, before December, you can accumulate 10,000 core coin. You can accumulate 100,000 core coin. And that is a big opportunity for me and you. So this is how to do the business, how to fund, how to make deposit and then accumulate and then activate your account. I will stop it here so that this video will not be too much. Okay. But before then, let me close this and make deposit. Then you can click on. I want you to click on account information. After you have made payment, you will see what is going to bring. These 7 days, 5 hours, 26 minutes means after 7 days, I will start getting people from around the whole world whenever they activate their accounts. People I don't know will be falling on my team like my downlines. So that is the reason why you need to activate your account on time, so that your own countdown will start. Okay, that is the first countdown. Then the second one means I still have 10 days, 5 hours, 25 minutes, 41 seconds to redeem my remaining airdrop up to 40%. So I encourage everybody, if you have claimed your own free token, please try to redeem it. Even if you don't have money, just fund it with $5, fund it with $6, $7, $8, $10. Just make sure you redeem it, okay, before the next 7 days, so that you will not miss this 40%. That is huge, okay? So that is it. So I'm going to close here. Then you can scroll down and read the promise. We will multiply your funds unlimited without any risk. Why I believe that this business doesn't have risk is because the smart contract is verified on blockchain and the ownership have been renounced. Let me show you quickly. If you are not in my group, please make sure you find yourself in this group. You can interact with many people here. Yeah, look at it. So let me click on this. Watch.
It is written contract. Okay, core contract. Now,
this is core contract. If you click on contract, the middle,
you see the contract source code is actually verified.
Contract source code verified. Okay. That is very important.
Yes.
Contract
and
source code verified. So he wants to show us that the ownership is renounced. Just look down at 601.
In the code,
601.
so basically, in one line,
ownership removed.
It is actually written remove ownership.
You see, so 601 function remove ownership.
Actually created this contract is actually he removed the ownership.
So,
of this contract.
So even the developer and the founder don't have control over the business. They can't change it. They can't change anything here again. That's what this means.
Yeah, I didn't see that removal.
So anyway, if you are not in my group, you can join my group and watch the video and then share with your people.
Yeah.
Anybody that is into blockchain or crypto, send them this video. They will. You don't need to explain any other thing for them. Thank you,
which number is
and see you on top.
601.